In front of me is TCL 25G, and let me show you how to change SIM pin on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select security, and here go a bit lower, where you will notice SIM card lock, smoothly mark it, and now pick change SIM pin. And at first you need to provide the current one, in my case it's 1111, tap on OK, and now it is time to enter the new pin that you would like to apply. Then you need to re-enter this new one, tap on OK, and that's it. As you can see, it has been changed and you can smoothly use this new one. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.